So the RIO 1608, but the D2 versions, just like the 3224 D2 versions, have some pretty cool new features on this. And this is one that I am renting from Projection. So you may think, hey, how can I make changes on the screen without having to go through Dante Controller? Because that would be super useful. And from the main screen, I could cycle with these buttons, and with the encoder, I can only read stuff. I can't actually change anything at all. I can read my Dante preferences, but I can't change anything. And that's because, like most professional equipment and signal processors, they don't want you to butterfinger it live during a show and ruin your show. So the trick is you have to hold these two buttons down to access the menu. And in this menu, this is our setup menu, I can change my unit ID numbers, startup mode, secondary port, fan speed, my network mode if I want auto or static. And if we want to factory reset it, we just keep going to the right. And now it is factory preset. Are you sure you want to initialize? Yes, because it's going to put it in daisy chain mode and it's going to set it to DHCP, which I'm then going to put it into secondary mode and probably assign a static IP. But if you want to just factory reset it and get it to a good place to start, this is how. In addition to that, there's some other cool menu features. So if you hold these down again, I can go into head amp control, hold it down again, high pass filter, hold it down again. I can come in here for monitoring my outputs and my inputs. If I hold it down again, I am back to that root menu. So hopefully this helped.
Remember to like and subscribe.